Hey, what is up everybody? How is it going? Welcome to the Ecomhunt YouTube channel. My name is Sherban, and in this video right here, we're going to talk about something really interesting that a lot of you have been waiting for, and that is email marketing. Email marketing is one of the oldest marketing methods in the world. It's older than anything that you can imagine. A lot of people are using this. Email marketing works as well today as it did like 20 years ago. It's working really well. And to be honest, dropshippers don't use it as much as they should, and they are leaving a lot of money on the table. So you who was watching this video are leaving a lot of money on the table if you're not using email marketing. And this is what we're going to talk about in this video. I'm going to walk you through what is email marketing, how can you use it, how can you use it best as a dropshipper, how can you use email marketing in your advantage, how can you use it to bring more customers and to keep the ones that have already visited your store. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks. I'm going to show you some examples. How can you install? I'm going to show you some apps that will help you with your email marketing, and how can you make the best out of this marketing method, which is called email marketing. Well, before getting started, please like this video because it would greatly help us with the YouTube algorithm, and hit that subscribe button to subscribe to our channel to be among the first people who will see our next videos and be in touch with us at all time. So let's get this video started. Now, first of all, what is this email marketing that I'm talking about? I'm going to keep it real simple and short for you to understand. Any email that you're sending out to a potential customer or a group of potential customers with the final purpose of selling them something, it's called email marketing. Now, you notice that I've said final purpose. Why did I say that? Because you can sell somebody something in a fourth or fifth email. You can send them 1, 2, 3, 4 emails without wanting to sell them something, just to make them warm. And in the fifth email, you can sell them something. So it doesn't matter. The final purpose should be to sell them something. Now, that is called email marketing. In order for you to better understand this, I'm going to need you to log into your email address. Just go ahead and do that. Check out your inbox. You will see what I'm talking about. You will see hundreds of emails, of promotional emails from companies that want to sell you something. Now that, my friend, that is email marketing. Welcome to the email marketing world. Now, you're probably wondering, why should I use email marketing? Because that's for like old people. That's who uses that anymore. Well, I have a surprise for you, my friend. Email marketing is widely used. Like, a lot of people are using email marketing. More people are using email than are using Facebook or Google or whatever. So there are these traditional marketing areas like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, so on and so forth. But there's email as well. And email is one of the oldest marketing methods in the world. If you're probably wondering, it's more than 20 years old, and it worked really well back then. It works the same right now, and a lot of companies are using this. So if you're not using email marketing, you're probably missing out on a lot of customers. Now, I have a small comparison, because you're probably wondering, what is the difference between Facebook ads, for example, because dropshippers use a lot of Facebook ads, right? What's the difference between Facebook ads and email marketing? Well, that's really simple. You've all used Facebook ads. You just go to Facebook Business Center, you create an audience, and you sell them something. You create an ad, and Facebook will show that ad to those people, and they might be interested, they will buy your product. Now, email marketing is pretty different. Customers who are visiting your store and who are seeing something about your brand will decide if they want to or not to give you their email, right? And this is how you gather an email list. That is the purpose of an email marketer. It's to gather a list of emails, and each and every one of those emails belongs to somebody who is interested in your product. So email marketing, I would say it's a bit warmer than Facebook, because people who gave you their email trust you and want to be in touch with you. And this is why I consider email marketing a bit warmer. This is why the conversion is a bit better on email marketing. The conversion rate is better because people are a bit warmer. They are not complete strangers. They have interacted with your store, and they gave you their email. Now, how can I do email marketing? Well, that's really easy. If you're a dropshipper, there are tons of apps that can do that. For example, Klaviyo, MailChimp, even Shopify has an email app that you could use. And basically what this app does is interacts with your customers that are visiting your store, and it asks them for their email. And a visiting customer that checks out your store will get a pop-up hey, give us your email and we'll give you like 10% discount or something like that. And the customer gives you their email, they are interested in your product, and this is how you gather an email list. This is all done automatically. Now, I have an app to show you, and I will do that just now in a minute. It's called Abandonment Protector. We're gonna switch through here. I'm gonna show you my screen in a minute, and I'm gonna show you how can you do all of these with one single app, this Abandonment Protector app. This app helps you send out promotional emails. This app will help you send out retargeting emails to people that have visited your store but did not buy anything, and they are more personalized than like traditional retargeting marketing. And email marketing is something different. If you're not using email marketing, you're leaving a lot of money on the table, and I highly advise you to start implementing email marketing to your store, because it will greatly help you with the conversion rates and your whole dropshipping experience overall. So let's move here on my screen and let me show you how to install the Abandonment Protector app and how to use it in your advantage. Now, let's check out Abandonment Protector. First of all, go to your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, you will see the apps button. Press that, it will take you to the app section. Press the green button, which will take you to the Shopify App Store. Now, this is an app store that will give you thousands over thousands of useful apps for your store. Now we're looking for Abandonment Protector. You just gotta write that on, and it's this one right here by Chili Apps. It's a upwards pointing arrow with a whitish background. Click on that and you can install it to your store. As you can see, it has a 30-day free trial and it starts from $8 per month. Now, we're gonna talk about this in a minute. Let's see what can it do. First of all, professional templates. Choose among multiple pre-designed templates to create pop-ups and email sequences in minutes. Now, it would make a brand feel. It would give your customer a feeling that somebody has worked for them to receive that email, right? It's not something automated. You can customize everything. Every single step and every single image is customizable. Reduce abandonment checkouts. Create targeted pop-ups to prevent exit intent and email sequences to bring your customers back to your store. Now, what this means is that when somebody wants to exit your store, they will receive a pop-out like, hey, don't exit. Please don't exit. We're going to give you 10% off. We have this offer. Just don't exit. If you stay on the website, you will receive this offer, something like that. You can do something like this with this email. Or if they add something to the cart, they go to the checkout and they change their mind, they are exiting there and they don't want to buy it anymore, you have their email, so this app will help you to send out an email to them telling them, hey, you forgot this in your cart. Please come back and we'll give you an additional discount. Just come back and buy what you left in your cart. And that's this app makes it really easy because it's everything is in the email. They will get a button and the customer will click that button. It would take them to the checkout page that they left unfinished, and they can finish it just by clicking one button and paying you, right? All services for one price. This is also really nice because it has a no subscriber limit. If you're using apps such as Klaviyo or MailChimp, you will have a subscription limit, like maybe more than 1,000 people will be one price. More than 5,000 people will be more expensive, and it will grow exponentially, right? This app will help you send out these emails and pop-ups with no subscriber limit. No pop-up view limit, and all the features included in the same price. Now, it starts at like $8, which is amazing. And the annual plan sets you at around $6 per month, and you have to pay it for 1 year. And it's an amazing app. It's really good. As you can see in the reviews, it has a 4.7 rating. A lot of people gave them 5-star, which means that it's an amazing app. Now, let's go ahead and add this app to our store and check it out for ourselves. Let's work through this app a bit and let me show you some of its features. Now, this right here is the home page of the app Abandonment Protector that we have just installed on our Shopify store. Now, if you focus your attention on the left-hand side, you will see some menus here. I want you to focus your attention on these three: pop-ups, automated emails, and newsletter. Now, if you go to pop-ups, that's self-explanatory. You will have some actions: exit intent, welcome message, subscription, and announcement. Now, these are all pop-ups. Means that when somebody takes one of these actions, they will see a pop-up that will interrupt everything that they are doing on your store, and their attention will be on that pop-up. Now, I would usually only go with this one, the first one, exit intent. That's why it's the first one, because it's the most used. A pop-up message will show up to make a final offer when the cursor is detected trying to exit the page at the top section of the screen. So when somebody does this, right, when they go there, when they want to press the X button, they will receive a pop-up telling them about a final offer. Now, you got to click on this to enable it. You can edit some things in here. You can edit what you want to tell them. You can edit how many times you want to show it, to whom, and all that. Now, next up, you have automated emails. If you click on that, you will see lots of emails that you can send for abandonment checkouts, for new offers, receipts, thank you emails, pending offers, new offers, purchase feedback, welcome emails, and follow us on social networks. Now, you don't want to enable all of these because it will be too annoying, too spammy. You just want to enable the most basic ones and the ones that are helping you and the customer as well. Now, the first one and the most important is abandoned checkouts. Now, you really want to enable this. It will work just as fine if you only enable this and don't enable something else. Next up, you wanna enable maybe a thank you email in which you can include a receipt also. So when somebody buys something from you, they will receive a thank you email. So thank you for purchasing from us. And maybe you can offer them a future 5%, 10% discount if they buy something from you on that email. You can enable all of these, and you can create campaigns based on this, and everything works automatically, right? So when somebody joins your email list, they will get into the loop and they will start receiving all of these emails. So let's check out the first one, abandoned checkouts. What is an abandoned checkout? When somebody gives you their email, gives you their information, everything, so you know everything about them, they were on the point of buying something, and after that they leave, right? You don't want that, right? At least you want to bring them back. So when somebody leaves, if you don't do anything, they will not return because they will forget about you. I mean, the human mind is bombarded with information every single second. So you want to call those customers back because that is a potential customer. It's a pretty big possibility for that customer to return and to finish the purchase. Now, this is why you need this app for. General campaign. How many emails do you want to send? Now, here you will say, let's say 3 emails. You'll send the first email in which you tell the customer, hey, you forgot to finish your purchase. Come back and you will receive a 10% discount on your whole purchase. You can send them a second email and a third email, giving them even more discount or being more aggressive towards them in order to bring them back. Now, here you can edit the email templates. Now, you will see once you click this button, you will have lots of templates that you can edit. Let's see, free shipping, discount code, basic. Let's use discount codes. Now, this is a type of email that you want to send your customer when they are leaving your store without buying. Let's click on this one. It's the first one just for the sake of showing you how does it work. Now, you can edit all of these. You can edit the picture to make it appear like it's your brand. You can here, this is customizable. Hi, client name. This means that you will address your client with its own name. This is really nice because it makes the email look more personal. Now, don't skip lunch. Order now from our store and get 5% off. Now, you can totally customize this email, right? You can write whatever you want to write here, and it will all be customizable. For example, if I will receive this email, it will say, hi, Sherban, because I have put my name on that store. I wanted to check out and I wrote my name, Sherban, there, and I will be addressed as Sherban. And it looks like somebody sent me the email. It looks like it's not automatic. It looks like it's personal, right? Don't skip this offer. Please come back and get 10% off your next order. So this is the coupon, limited time only, and you have to write your code here if you edit the email, and this is how I will receive the email, me as a customer who abandoned this. Now, you will see here the products that I have added to my cart and did not purchase, and I will be reminded. This is the best part about this app right here, because I will be reminded about these products. When I see the pictures of the products, I will know, yes, I forgot about these. Wow. And I even have a discount. This is amazing. Now, all you have to do is click on this button right here. You can customize this as well. And you click on this, it will take me to the checkout page again as I left it with a 10% discount. So as a customer, this is amazing. This is amazing, right? And it's really easy to customize this. You just have to click on the image, change it, click on the logo, put it whatever you want to, and change the text, change whatever, and that's it. This is how you make them automated. Now, this app will help you automate everything. You just have to do it once, and it would automatically be done for all the customers. Now, next up, we have newsletter. This is also good because when you have a base of customers, you want to send them newsletters. You want to send them emails with our new products, with our new offers. For example, if you have a product at $100 and now it's discounted at $80, there are a lot of people who were interested in that product and maybe did not buy it because it was too expensive, and now it's $80. So you have to send an email to all of your customers telling them, hey, this product is not $100 anymore. Now it's $80. Come get yours. Click this link right here, and that's it. And here you can see how many of the emails were sent, how many were opened, how many were clicked, how many complained about your emails to be spammy, how many did unsubscribe, and all that. So you have everything that you need to know here. You can create a new campaign from here. Let's click this button. It would take us to the template section. We can also choose a template for our store, and this would not be so aggressive. Like, you get the difference. When you want to send a abandonment cart, abandonment checkout email, you have to be a bit more aggressive. Like, hey, come back and get these products. We'll get you a discount. Now, when you're sending out a newsletter email, this is also automatic. This is also the same thing, just that it's to warmer customers, to customers who had a contact with you. You don't have to be that aggressive. You can just show them what you have new on your store. So usually I would use newsletter emails for people who have interacted with my store, and I want to show them something new. So yeah, basically this is what this beautiful app, Abandonment Protector, does. First of all, it shows some pop-ups to the customers that want to leave your store. Second of all, it sends out automated emails to the customers that didn't finish something. For example, they didn't finish an order, they abandoned the cart, they abandoned the checkout, and you want to bring them back. You already have their email, so this is an amazing way to bring them back with the help of this app. And you have a newsletter section with the help of which you can send out emails of new products, new collections that you have in your store, and whatever you want to advertise, a product that was really hot and it's at lower price right now, on whatever, you can send out newsletter to all of your customers with the help of these options. Now, this was Abandonment Protector. So guys, that was the story about email marketing. As you can see, such a small thing implemented on your store can have such a huge impact on your wallet finally, because that's what matters for dropshippers, right? To have as many sales as possible, and email marketing helps a lot with that. Now, before closing off this video, I have 3 small requests. First of all, check out the first link in the description. You will get a 31% discount on Ecomhunt. This is Ecomhunt right here. It's the best platform that will help you find winning products that are making waves on the market right now. We have close to 3,000 products, and every single product is been cherry-picked by our experts, and you will not have to waste time and money on testing all of these products by yourself, because we got that covered from you. Second of all, like this video because it would greatly help us with the YouTube algorithm. And third of all, finally, please subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video, because you will be among the first ones who will get notified when we are posting other videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having an amazing weekend. Bye-bye.